Hello, parents. This one is for you. I just wanted to show you I did change our continuous learning plan this week to see if it helps out and makes things a little bit easier. It's broke down a little bit more in the choices. We don't have the choices like we did, just to see if that kind of helps make everything a little easier for everyone, both you and the students. As you can see, so I still have my information up here. If you want to contact me, you can dojo email or call me. Send me an email. The easiest way for you is works for me. And so as you can see here, we have our English language arts. So we have our subject, and then we have it broke down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So and realistically, if the student wants to do all of this on Monday, uh, they can, and then do all the math on Tuesday. That's fine too. But this is broken down. So every subject has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So on Monday, the student Um, the task is to have them read chapter 4 and chapter 5 of Jake Drake. They can read it on their own, or they can listen to me read it to the links that I'll post below. And then have them answer the following 4 questions. So that would be Monday reading, English language, and then here's Monday math. So the task is just to email the answers to these questions to me as the teacher. Okay, so there's a total of 12 questions, math questions, both multiplication and division. So that's Monday math, and then Monday science is just to watch this little 4-minute video about clouds. Okay. And then just they can just look through these or use these as reference, so they can understand a little better what the clouds are because there's an assignment coming up with that. Okay, and then Monday social studies is to either read or listen to me read part of the studies weekly, and then answer the question. Okay, so then again, as you can see, there's also a Tuesday for everything, Wednesday and Thursday. Again, if the student wants to take English language and do all 4 days in one day and just not do math the next or not do math that day, that's fine. Whatever's easiest for you guys. But this is broke down into Monday through Thursday, so hopefully that helps. Um, I have gotten one question to if I can post on Friday or Saturday for parents that are still working Monday through Friday and have probably pretty crazy hours. Absolutely, I will go ahead and post this today, this afternoon, or maybe even tomorrow early. Great suggestion. I completely understand how that will help you as busy parents. It doesn't mean you need to start working on it as soon as it's posted. Again, it's scheduled for Monday through Thursday. Um, and any other suggestions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do everything I possibly can to make this easier for you and the students. Um, if it's easier for you, it'll be easier for the students. Just like in the classroom, if I'm stressed, the students kind of pick up on it. And so are a little, they usually are a little more active, or they can kind of feel the stress. So I want this to be as less stressful for you, so that it's less stressful for them as well. Okay. Anything I can do, even if you think it may sound small or silly or anything like that, it's not. I promise. Um, so I will do everything I can to help out and make this as easy as possible. Please let me know if this type of format of the continuous learning plan is helpful, or if you want me to go back to the old way. Um, if this works better, then I'm more than happy to keep it this way. So I really appreciate your feedback, your comments, your questions, everything. Um, it really does help us out because we are all learning how to do this, what the best way is. And so, any feedback, there's also a questionnaire that Mrs. Plunkett posted. If you guys could fill that out, please do so, just to let us know what else the school can do, not just for your students in my class, but the students you have in other teachers' classes. Make sure that we're getting to you and we're helping you out as much as we can. We're being as supportive as we can for both you and the students. So thank you very much, and I really appreciate your time.